Ask any master mechanic, and they will tell you the modern truck market is a joke. You are paying $80,000 for rolling computers that blow up before 80,000 miles, while the real iron, built decades ago, is still working every single day. Today, we are exposing the 5 worst modern money pits you must avoid, and the 5 legendary classic trucks that will actually outlive you. Let us start with the worst. Wait until you see the absolute scam sitting at number 1.
Coming in at number 5, the 2014 through 2024 Chevy Silverado 1500 with the 5.3-liter V8. Back in the day, a Chevy small block was the absolute gold standard for American reliability. You bought a truck, put gas in it, and it simply ran forever. But modern engineering turned this once great bloodline into a ticking time bomb. The main culprit is the active fuel management system, or the newer dynamic fuel management. To save just a tiny fraction of gas, the computer shuts down half of the cylinders on the highway. Instead of giving you a straightforward workhorse, they gave you complicated collapsible lifters that fail and completely chew up the camshaft. When that inevitable failure happens, your expensive truck is dead in the water. You are suddenly looking at massive repair bills ranging from $4,000 to $8,000 just to rebuild the top end of the motor. It is a complete insult to the working man who just wants a solid truck to do heavy work without needing a loan for dealership repairs. We used to build rugged trucks that worked as hard as we did, but now you are buying a fragile computer on wheels that cannot even keep its own engine from eating itself alive. If you've been burned by one of these active fuel management disasters, hit that like button and sound off in the comments.
Coming in at number 4, the 2020 through 2023 Jeep Gladiator, equipped with the 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6. There was a time when the Jeep name meant absolute rugged simplicity. You bought an old flat fender or a classic straight 6 because it could survive a war, take a massive beating on the dirt trails, and get you back home without ever complaining. Today, the Gladiator has morphed into an overpriced lifestyle accessory that struggles with real heavy-duty work. The fatal flaw in this specific rig is the high-pressure fuel pump. This pump design is completely notorious for catastrophic failure. When it inevitably starves for lubrication, it essentially grenades itself from the inside out. It shoots tiny metal shrapnel throughout the entire fuel system, destroying everything in its path. This is not a simple weekend fix. You have to replace the fuel pump, the expensive fuel injectors, and all the individual fuel lines. It is a total nightmare repair that can easily cost upwards of $10,000 out of your own pocket. On top of that, you are dealing with endless diesel emission sensors failing and constant warning lights on your dashboard. You are paying a massive premium for a complex diesel engine that spends more time sitting broken in the dealership service bay than actually hauling gear in the woods. If you miss the golden days of simple and honest American trucks, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. Coming in at number 3, the 2022 through 2024 Toyota Tundra with the 3.4-liter twin-turbo iForce V6. For decades, the Tundra was the undisputed king of reliability. The old 5.7-liter V8 was an absolute tank. You could drive it to the moon and back, and it would barely ask for a simple oil change. It was the last honest truck on the entire market. Then, Toyota decided to kill the legendary V8 to chase strict government emissions. They replaced it with a highly complicated twin-turbo V6, and it has been an absolute disaster. The factory actually left machining debris inside the engine blocks during the manufacturing process. This metal debris circulates right through the oil and completely destroys the main bearings on the crankshaft. Engines are literally seizing up and blowing apart at highway speeds with zero warning. Toyota was forced to recall over 100,000 of these brand new trucks. Hardworking guys paid top dollar expecting that famous bulletproof reputation, but instead, they got a fragile experiment that leaves them stranded. We just want the tough, naturally aspirated engines back. If you agree that dropping the V8 was a massive mistake, share this video right now.
Coming in at number 2, The 2021 through 2024 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 with the massive 6.2-liter V8. There was a time when buying the biggest GM V8 meant you were getting the ultimate, undisputed powerhouse. Those old iron block trucks pulled heavy trailers for decades without breaking a single sweat. Today, buying their top-tier engine is like playing a very expensive game of Russian roulette. General Motors had to issue a massive recall affecting hundreds of thousands of these premium pickups. The fatal problem comes down to terrible manufacturing defects in the connecting rods and the crankshafts. These engines are suddenly locking up and failing completely while driving down the fast lane. Some trucks have less than 10,000 miles on the odometer when the motor literally tears itself apart from the inside out. The official factory fix is an absolute insult to the hardworking man. Instead of giving you a brand new motor, the dealership just pours in a thicker viscosity oil, slaps a new oil filler cap on top, and sends you back out onto the road. You are paying over $70,000 for a high-end truck, and they patch a catastrophic internal engine flaw with thicker oil. It is exactly why American buyers are losing all their trust in modern corporate manufacturing. If you think a real truck deserves a real mechanical fix, drop a comment down below.
Coming in at number 1, the 2025 through 2026 Ram 1500 with the 3.0-liter twin-turbo Hurricane inline 6. For 2 decades, the Ram brand was built entirely on the shoulders of the legendary Hemi V8. That iconic rumble meant undeniable American muscle and rugged reliability. It was a proven powerhouse that working men trusted to get the job done. But now, the classic V8 is completely dead. Corporate executives ripped out the beloved Hemi and replaced it with an overcomplicated twin-turbo 6-cylinder. They promised better efficiency, but they delivered a terrifying engineering experiment. You now have 2 turbochargers generating massive heat, extreme cylinder pressures, and complex plumbing all crammed under the hood. It is a brand new powertrain architecture that has traditional truck buyers walking away. When you combine this unproven engine with their well-documented nightmare of electronic failures, like dashboard displays going completely blank on the highway, you have the ultimate financial disaster. You are paying $80,000 to be a beta tester for a science project instead of buying a reliable workhorse. If you refuse to trade your dependable V8 for a fragile twin-turbo, hit that subscribe button right now.
Enough about those modern nightmares. Let us look at the real iron that will actually outlive us all. Coming in at number 5 on the best list, the 2005 through 2015 Toyota Tacoma with the legendary 4.0-liter V6. Back before mid-size trucks were packed with fragile turbos and sensitive electronics, Toyota built this absolute tank. The second-generation Tacoma represents a golden era when truck engineering was focused strictly on long-term survival. This naturally aspirated motor does not have any direct injection or complicated cylinder deactivation systems. It relies on simple port fuel injection and a massive, bulletproof timing chain. This intentional simplicity is exactly why you still see these trucks everywhere today, with over 300,000 miles on the original powertrain. While modern pickup owners are crying at the dealership service desk over blown engines, these old Tacoma owners are just doing basic oil changes and replacing spark plugs. You do have to inspect the frame for rust if you live up in the snowbelt, but mechanically, this rig is practically immortal. It holds its resale value better than almost any vehicle on the market, because American buyers are completely desperate for honest, old-school reliability. It is a true working tool that simply never calls in sick. If you know someone who absolutely refuses to sell their old Tacoma, share this video with them right now.
Coming in at number 4, the 1999 through 2006 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 with the 5.3-liter Vortec V8. This specific era, built on the legendary GMT 800 platform, is widely considered the absolute peak of General Motors truck manufacturing. Long before corporate executives ruined their engines with fragile cylinder deactivation systems, they gave us this masterpiece of simple and rugged engineering. The 5.3-liter Vortec does not have active fuel management, It does not have direct injection, and it does not have complicated turbochargers. It is a rock-solid V8 design with traditional pushrods that simply refuses to die. Mechanics across the entire country actively search for these older trucks because they routinely cross 300,000 miles without needing anything more than a new water pump or basic sensors. While a brand new Silverado owner is terrified of an $8,000 top-end engine rebuild, the guy driving a 2003 Vortec is pulling heavy trailers every single weekend with total peace of mind. Replacement parts are dirt cheap. They are incredibly easy to work on in your own driveway, and they sound exactly like a real American truck should. If you think the GMT 800 is the greatest Chevy platform ever built, hit that like button and let me know.
Coming in at number 3, the 1994 through 1997 Ford F-250 and F-350 with the legendary 7.3-liter Power Stroke diesel. Modern diesel trucks are choked out by diesel exhaust fluid systems and fragile fuel pumps that cost $10,000 to fix. But back in the 90s, Ford and International built an absolute tractor engine for the highway. The original 7.3-liter Power Stroke is a massive iron block V8 that uses a simple gear-driven camshaft and high-pressure oil to fire the fuel injectors. There are no delicate emissions electronics waiting to leave you stranded on the shoulder. It is loud, it is heavy, and it is built to pull massive trailers for 500,000 miles without breaking a single sweat. While guys today are terrified of their warranty running out, these old Fords are still dominating job sites across the entire country. They are practically indestructible workhorses. If you respect the sheer pulling power of an honest, old-school diesel, hit that subscribe button right now.
Coming in at number 2, the 1989 through 1993 Dodge Ram D250 and W250, equipped with the legendary 5.9-liter 12-valve Cummins diesel. This is the exact motor that completely changed the heavy-duty truck world forever. Modern diesels are an absolute nightmare of complex sensors and fragile emissions equipment that break down constantly. But this classic inline-six is pure mechanical perfection. It features a fully mechanical fuel injection pump. That means there are 0 computers required to keep this massive iron block running smoothly. You literally only need one single wire to start it, and it will pull a house right off its foundation. Working men across America idolize the 12-valve because it routinely crosses 1 million miles with just basic maintenance. While new truck owners are spending small fortunes at the dealership for endless software updates, 12-valve owners are passing them on the highway with a heavy load in the back. If you think the 12-valve Cummins is the greatest diesel engine ever produced, drop a comment down below.
Coming in at number 1, the 1987 through 1996 Ford F-150 with a legendary 4.9-liter 300 cubic inch inline-six. When we talk about trucks that will outlive the end of the world, this is the absolute undisputed king. Modern truck companies are trying to sell you fragile twin-turbo 6-cylinder engines that blow up before their first major tune-up. But decades ago, Ford perfected the straight six by building it completely out of heavy cast iron. It does not have a flimsy timing chain or a rubber timing belt. It uses heavy-duty steel timing gears that simply do not break. It was not built to win street races. It was built like an industrial tractor to pull heavy loads every single day of its life. While the bodies of these classic Fords might eventually rust away in the snow belt, the 4.9-liter engine will literally keep running forever with almost 0 maintenance. It is the ultimate symbol of a time when America built trucks for the working man, not for luxury car buyers. If you are proud to be part of the classic truck community, smash that subscribe button and share this video with a real truck guy.
The truck market has changed. We traded heavy iron for cheap plastic and real reliability for monthly subscriptions. But as you saw today, the true workhorses are still out there if you know exactly where to look. Do not let these massive corporations trick you into buying an $80,000 mistake. If you want the raw, unfiltered truth about the truck industry to protect your hard-earned money, hit that subscribe button right now. Leave a like and stay safe out there.